Hey folks, Dad the Noob, and today we're going to make Twinkie Pecan Banana Foster. So the good folks again at Hostess decided to cobble together the greatest recipes that are associated with America's favorite snack treat and came up with this. So what we're going to take here is some semi-chilled Twinkies, about a cup of brown sugar, some allspice, pecans, cinnamon, and nutmeg. We have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of rum. We have some vanilla extract, and we have chilled halves of bananas all in a row. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by doing the prep work, right? We're going to light this thing on fire, and what the cinnamon's here for, it's supposed to have some sort of sparkle effect. Don't know how fancy or true that's going to be. We're going to find out here in a second.
The history of Bananas Foster originates in the kitchen of Ella Brennan, a restaurateur whose Bourbon Street family establishment is where this boozy confectionery delight turned Pyrotechnics display was born. A quintessential American delight, it was made in a mad dash of creativity compressed by an impossible timeline. If you'd like to know more, there's a great NPR article I'll post in the video description below.
Alright, so we start with our skillet. It's at medium heat right now, medium to high. We have about a quarter cup of butter in here. I can only know that because the butter stick has a little marking on the side of it that says this is about a quarter cup. So what it does here, we'll melt the butter, we'll dump the allspice and the brown sugar into it, turn it into a nice little sticky paste, and then once that's done, we'll add in the rest of the dry goods with the exception of the cinnamon. And then once that's all nice and thick and sticky, syrupy I should say, we'll add in the bananas and the Twinkies, and then the rum, and then we'll let that sit for about 5 minutes, and then as the rum cooks off, we'll light it on fire.
Twinkies have been a favorite, if not the favorite, snack food in the United States. Its global recognition as a token of Americana for almost 100 years began in 1930 at the Continental Baking Company in Schuyler Park, Illinois.
It smells really, really good. I failed to mention the recipe calls for alcohol, rum, and banana liqueur to be specific. I have the rum, banana liqueur I don't have, so I don't know how much of a flambe this is going to set off, if any at all, but I'm hoping that we're going to see some flame, so that way we can do the spark effect, and that's what I really want to see. But as it sits right now, we got another minute or so before we start throwing in the bananas and the Twinkies, and we should be done pretty quick. Alright, so now we're going to add in the bananas. The Twinkies. Add in the pecans. We'll let it cook for about a minute or so. We'll remove it from heat, and we're going to try to light it on fire. Okay, so we've reached the time now. Time where, let's see if this catches on fire. Drum roll. Womp womp. There is no fire. Boo. So I wonder if we can fix this by throwing rum on this. There it is! The sparkle effect! I think I cooked off too much of the alcohol initially. But this is a really fun recipe. If you're interested in finding it, I'm pretty sure you can just Google Twinkies Cookbook and find it online. But if you're in the neighborhood in Washington, D.C. and you go to the American Museum of History, or Museum of American History at the Smithsonian, make sure you go visit Julia Child's kitchen, but also make sure you stop by the gift shop and look for the book. Well, that's it for Bananas Foster. I've been Dad the Noob. Dad the Noob. You've been you. Stay super awesome and bon appetit. Nathan is a connoisseur of Twinkies.
Tastes like if pancakes and French toast had a baby.
It tastes like pancakes and French toast had a baby with bananas. It's awesome. What do you think, Nathan? Pretty good?
Thanks for watching. Please leave us a comment, give us a like, and hit that subscribe button to be notified when Dad the Noob tries to make something else next. Until next time, take care, good night, and bye-bye.